Do, 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 do. I'm loving it. Mm-hmm. I'm not. No problem on this page. No. Hello. I don't. Hey, you guys, this is Dee Edwards. I am your favorite tax genie with Accurate Tax Services. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Listen, you guys. So I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about this upcoming tax season. So what I'm about to share with you guys, it is going to be most important for you to really tune in and share this broadcast out. So for those of you guys who are not aware, I've been in the tax industry for over 20 years now, and I am trusted for my tax expertise. I'm also a tax educator with the IRS Tax Academy, and our school is accredited and approved with the IRS. So any information that I share on any of my platforms, when you hear me talk, you can take what I tell you guys to the bank and you can cash it. So the information that I provide to you, although I want you to come to me this upcoming tax season, and we are booking appointments now, so you can go to bookaccuratenow.com. So the information that I provide to you, I provide it from a sincere, authentic, and reliable place. So you can take this information and you can share it with your tax professional if that's what you would like. Hello, Tiara. Hey, Joyce. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you guys so much for sharing out this broadcast. So I wanted to come and talk to you guys very quickly about the upcoming tax season regarding the child tax credit. This is very important because some of you all have already received the advanced child tax credit. So I want to talk to you about how this is going to affect your refund. I want to share with you guys some of the things that you need to be aware of as you are entering into the tax season. So first of all, for those of you guys who receive the advanced tax credit, it is only a portion, it's only 50% of the child tax credit that you are supposedly to receive. So the other 50% is that you are able to claim that on your tax return. So for those of you guys who did not receive it like myself, then we're going to receive our full portion when we file our taxes. Now, what you guys need to be aware of is that that child tax credit was based upon previous tax years, and it was based upon previous income. And so what does that mean? That means that for this upcoming tax season, that your income may have changed, right? So let's say that if it's changed and you were not due as much of the child tax credit advance, let's say if they paid you too much, they paid you excessively, then they are going to take that excessive amount that you receive, they are going to take it from your refund. Okay. But for those of us who did not receive it, whatever you will qualify for, you'll receive that full amount. So you're not losing out on it either way. Now, also, it is important for you to understand that for this upcoming tax season, hello, Quella, hello, Latavia, for this upcoming tax season, you all are going to receive a form in the mail from the IRS. The IRS said that they'll start sending out this form in January, right? So because they're going to send out this form in January, that form is needed in order for you to file your taxes. Okay. So we need that form. So you guys need to bring that form because we need to know the exact amount of advanced child tax credit that you receive. So some of you all may try to guess that amount. We cannot take a guesstimate. We got to have the actual amount. If you don't provide that form, and if we don't have the actual amount, what it's going to do is that your return can be processed, but it's going to be withheld. So I tell all of our clients, let us make sure that we're filing an accurate tax return by providing us with the information that is necessary. So let's say, just in case you lose that form, let's say if you never received that form in the mail because for some reason that you moved, you can obtain that information by creating an account on the irs.gov website. Okay, so you can go to the irs.gov website and you'll be able to log into your account. Your account is going to provide us exactly what we need. Your account is going to provide us with the child tax credit amount, and then also it is going to provide us with that third payment stimulus amount. These are two amounts that must be, it is required to be filed on your taxes. Now listen, you may have tax preparers who are not as familiar as my team and me about these tax laws. And they may try to tell you that you can file your taxes without it. Listen to me well. You cannot file your taxes without it. You can't say, well, let me go ahead and process that and then I'll do an amended tax return. That's not how it's going to work. The IRS will withhold your tax return until they will withhold your refund, and they will do the recalculation themselves. So it may take weeks or even months before your refund is released. So I am telling you, as your tax genie, that it is important that you provide the accurate information up front. Now, some of you all may be saying, well, Ms. D, I only received one check. It doesn't matter whether or not you receive one check, two checks, 20 checks, it doesn't matter. The most important part for you to understand is that we need to put the exact amount on your tax return. So let me just recap real fast. Is that one, you need to make sure that your tax preparer have the exact child tax advance portion that you were paid. You guys can get that information, one, by the letter that the IRS is going to send out in January, or number two, log it into your actual account on the irs.gov website. This information is imperative. Number three, for those of us who did not receive the child tax credit advance at all, we'll be able to get whatever the full amount that we qualify for, we'll be able to get that when we file our taxes, okay? And number three, for those of you all who were paid excessive, let's say that the IRS paid you too much, they are going to deduct that from your refund amount. Number four, for those of you guys who was not paid enough, the IRS will give you whatever you qualify for. So whatever the difference is, they will give you that amount when you file your taxes. All right. So this is Dee Edwards. I am a representative of Accurate Tax Services because we work for you and not the IRS. We're super duper duper excited that we're changing our company name and we are joining forces with Tax Genie Tax Services, you guys. So you're going to see a lot of a transition that happened with our company in just a few weeks. And we just want to give you the heads up. So be sure to like our page. You can like Accurate Tax Services page now, or you can like Tax Genie Tax Services page now. But whatever it is important that you stay connected to us because we bring you the facts. This is Dee Edwards, and I will talk with you, and I will see you January the 3rd. Okay, so go to bookaccuratenow.com to book your appointment. Toodles.